morning to the class. Today we are going to learn a chapter, Our Body, an Amazing Machine. Children, the human body is a machine. It is a living machine. What is the purpose of machine? To do certain work, to make a work easy. Our human body is also doing many work. And especially children, when you are sleeping now, you will think I am not doing any work. I am sleeping. Then also you are breathing in. You are respiring. Okay? Your body is working. Maybe what you have eaten, your digestive system is also working. So our body is working all time. So it is very good to take care of your body. Eat healthy food and don't eat junk food. Okay? Because it is a very active machine, busiest machine of the world, okay, human body. And it is a living machine. You know the machine is made up of different parts. You know na machine, there is a knob, then there is some, in a mixer grinder only you will see there is a blade, there is a knob, there is a plug, many things is there. Similarly, our body is also made up of different parts, okay. Many parts is in our body. For example, eye, with which we used to see, hand, with which we used to work, mouth, we used to speak or we used to eat. So, heart is the internal organ. Just now I am talking about an external part. Now I am talking about the internal part, like that heart. Heart used to pump the blood. Lungs used to help in respiration, stomach help in digestion. Like that we are having many parts, okay? And each part of our body is involved in some work. Okay, they are not idle, they are not sitting like this. Every part is having their own work. And that work they used to do. Okay? For example, with the help of eye we used to see. With the help of ear we used to hear. But with the help of eye we will not able to hear now. Every part is having its particular work. Okay, specialized in one work. And each part which is specialized in some work is known as an organ. And already you have learned about the different organ of our body. External organ which we can see, those are known as external. External means outside, okay? Internal means inside. Some organ is inside in our body which you will not able to see, okay? Maybe with the help of some means only we can able to see. So some example of external organ is eyes, nose, ear, hand, skin. Some example of internal organ is lungs, stomach, heart, kidney, etc. So now the question is arise, our body is made up of organ. Okay? No, there is more smaller part than organ in our body. Just like you have seen the building is made up of bricks. When we are joining the bricks like this, then we used to make one big building, apartment, okay. So the building block of the apartment or any structure is bricks, okay, bricks or stone, big stone. Similarly, our body is also made up of cell. The smallest part of our body, okay, is a cell, which we can't able to see through naked eye. Means like this we will not, or by specs also. If you will wear specs, naked not ma'am, now I will wear specs so I can see. No, you can't able to see like this. You can see cell with the help of microscope. Cell is the smallest unit of our body, and inside the cell also you can find many organelles, small, like that nucleus is there, mitochondria is there, ribosome is there, which you will study in a higher class. So inside of the cell also there is many organs. So, but now you will say that it is the only we will study about the cell, not study about its organelles. So cell is the smallest unit of body. Cell are the smallest unit of our body. Now children, if same type of cell, same means which is similar in the work, which is similar in the shape, okay, and structure, those are known as a same type of cell. So same type of cell when joined together form tissue. So the cell of a same type joined together to form tissue. You can see tissue, many cell is there, it is joined together. This is also small cell, you can say, nucleus is there inside now. So these are joined together and they form tissue. Same type of cell So you can see a same type of cell joined together to form tissue. And then different type of tissue can join together to form organ. Organ is made up of different type of tissue. For example, here is an organ, stomach. So this is the stomach, okay? And the stomach is made up of different type of tissue. Maybe the covering of the stomach of different type of tissue, inside it is a different type of tissue, but all tissue joined together to make one organ, that is stomach. So we can write an organ is made up of different tissue. Smallest unit of our body is cell. Same type of cell joined together to form tissue. Then many different type of tissue joined together to form organ. Now children, many organ work together to solve some problem, like that teamwork. We are having also team like that. This team will solve this problem, this team will do that problem. Similarly, there is a group of organ which used to perform some problem. You will do this, you will do that, and like that we will complete the process. Okay. For example, in digestion, mouth is also working with the help of mouth. We are taking the food. Here also we are crushing the food like this. Then through esophagus it is going to stomach. Then in stomach it is digesting like this, and this. All the organ is working together for a particular function. Which function? To digest the food. So the purpose is only one, means digestion of food, but different organ is working together. So they are making one team, and this team only we used to call organ system. Okay. So different organ that carry out one particular function of our body form an organ system. So we can see here, cell is the smallest unit of our body. Then same type of cell will join together and form tissue. different type of tissue join together to form organ, and different organ which is involved in a particular function, which is working together for a same purpose, for a one single purpose, form an organ system. Now you can learn like this: cell, tissue, organ system. It is growing, okay? And then different organ system made our body. Okay, human body is made up of different organ system. So you can see how our human body is made up of. Smallest unit is cell, same cell join together to form tissue, different tissue to join together to form organ, different type of organ which involve in a particular function form organ system, and different organ form human body. Now there are 8 important organ system in our body. We are digesting the food, we are respiration we used to take, transportation also used to carry out, because we are taking oxygen through lungs, but oxygen is needed to each of the cell. Even in the hand also there is a cell, we need oxygen, and food is digestive system, but everywhere we need energy to go. So transportation is also needed. So excretion is also very much important. So our body is made up of different organ system. We will discuss it separately. Now you only learn the name of different organ system. So the 8 important organ system in the body are: 8 important organ system of our body. First, digestive system. Second, respiratory system. Third, skeletal system. Fourth, muscular system. Fifth, nervous system. Sixth, circulatory system. Seven, excretory system. Excretory system. Then 8, reproductive system. So now digestive system, this system involved in digestion of the food, And many organs in digestive system like that mouth, esophagus, stomach, then anus, respiratory system, small intestine, large intestine, then respiratory system. Respiratory system is a system which helps in respiration, which involves in a particular work, that is respiration. In this, nose, lungs is there. With the nose we use to inhale the oxygen and exhale the carbon dioxide, and with the lungs, lungs give oxygen to the blood like this. So they are working here. Okay, many more organs there in respiratory system. Then skeletal system. The main purpose of skeletal system is to give shape and support to a body. Otherwise, our body was like this only. Without any support, how we will stand? We will just like a mud or something together. Okay? So skeletal system is also very much important. Muscular system, it helps in movement. If muscles will be weak, it is very difficult for us for moving, to do any movement. Inside also, if muscles will be weak, then sometimes heart also become weak like this. So muscular system is also very much important. All system is important. Okay, because all work is very much important for our body. The nervous system. Nervous system helps to in control and coordination. We can say this is the principle. Okay. Without the system, no one will work. Only he will give the instruction, you have to do this and that and solve all the problems. So nervous system helps in coordination of our body. It controls the body. Okay. It is a control room of our body. Then circulatory system, just like it helps in transportation of oxygen. Okay. And then transportation in oxygen or transportation of the blood or anything. Okay. Digested food also, energy, everything with the help of circulatory system. Excretory system helps in excretion, because children, in our body many function is going on, and you will learn that if there will be the reaction, some good thing will also form, some bad thing will also form. In any reaction, okay, there will be the good and bad, both will get. So many function we are doing, so we are making good thing also, and then some bad thing which we don't need, which will be harmful for our body. We can say that is a toxin, okay, just like a poison for us. So we need to excrete, means we have to send it out from our body, those things, okay, those toxic things we have to send out from our body. And who help in doing this? Excretory system. Here kidney is there, even skin also help in. You can see the sweating is sweats come out from the face or hand or skin anywhere. We are excreting only, okay. So and then last is reproductive system. It is also very important, because we by the help of this system only we can able to give birth to a new ones. Okay, then only human being have their existence. Our existence with the new ones only, na, then new ones will grow and do some work like this. So this is also very important reproductive system. And little we will learn about each and every system one by one in detail. What are the organs there, how they used to function, we will discuss. Okay, thank you.